Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you in a very simplistic tutorial how to pair the GE Universal Remote that you see right here with different devices. This will be a full tutorial and also an easy tutorial and a complete tutorial and an awesome tutorial. So let's get right into the video. So essentially, that whole purpose of a universal remote for the most part is to pair with different devices. Of course, you can use it with one device if you lost your TV remote and you need another one, of course. But when you get a universal remote like this, usually you want to pair it up with multiple different devices. Really easy to do. So with this universal remote, okay, to pair it up with a device, really easy. You press and hold down the setup button. That light's going to stay red, okay? You release the setup button. So you press and hold it down and release it. That light will stay red. Then you're going to press quickly the button that you want to program. So if I want to program a TV, I'm going to press the TV button quickly, okay? I'm going to get the code for my TV. I'm going to input the code. Okay, I'm going to point it at the TV. The TV should be on. I'm going to turn it on manually. I'm going to press the power button. When I press the power button, if the TV turns off, we're good to go. I've programmed it. If it stays on, we're going to do the same thing. Repeat the whole process that I explained, but with another code, okay? So you're going to continue to do that until you program the device. Now, you want to program it with a different device. I'll tell you how to program it with a secondary device, and this one does up to 6 of them, and then I'll tell you how to control each device. So you're going to repeat the process. Once you've programmed it with one device, you're going to repeat the process. Press and hold the setup button down, release it. Okay, then once that light is solid red, you're going to just press and release the button of the device that you want to program. So let's say I want to program now a DVR. I'm going to press and release the DVR button like that. Okay, then I'm going to enter the code for the DVR that I'm dealing with, the brand of the DVR, point it at the DVR, which is already on. I've turned it on. Make sure your DVR is on. Press and release the power button. If it turns the DVR off, then you're good to go. If not, repeat the steps, okay? So it's basically a basic setup process, but you do each device individually. That's how you pair it with different devices. You would pair up your TV, so you'd program it with your TV, okay? Then you would, once that's done, you would program it with your DVR. Once that's done, you would program it with your DVD or Blu-ray player. Once that's done, you would program it with your soundbar, blah. You need to do each device individually. That's how you pair it with different devices. Now, how do you control different devices? Well, essentially, it's pretty easy. You're first going to start off by pressing the device that you want to control. You're going to tell the remote which device you want to control. Then you're going to tell the remote what you want it to do. So if I wanted to do TV channel up, I would press and release the TV button, and I'm now controlling the TV, and then I would press channel up as many times as I wanted to. And then if I wanted to deal with the sound bar volume up, I would press and release auxiliary, if that's what I had the sound bar programmed to, and then I would press volume up or volume down. So to pair it and program it with different devices, you're going to set up each device individually. It's its own process, okay? And then to use the different devices, you're going to press and release the button that you want to control, and then tell the remote what you want it to do by pressing whatever action you want to take. That's it. That is how to pair the GE Universal Remote like this with different devices, how to use it with different devices, a full tutorial, but also a super easy tutorial. I've also done separate videos on how to program a TV or device using the remote with the code, if you have the codes, and also how to program it with the auto code search function. So look for those videos if you're confused about the setup process, because I've done whole other tutorials on it, separate tutorials on it. So this was more of like explaining how to do it with multiple devices, but for a detailed setup process, look at those other tutorials for the, if you have the code, how to program it, and if you don't have the code and you want to do an auto code search, how to program it that way, and it'll just search through all the codes available. And that is truly it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know, give it a double thumbs up. I know you can't, but you know, I like to go like this, so give it a thumbs up or 2 if you want. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos. Wow, look at those forearms. Please be sure to subscribe for more fantastically awesome videos, just like this one and all of the other ones. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.